Pop-up plastic bag folding machines are the top choice for popular plastic bag manufacturers. This pop-up plastic bag folding machine supports simultaneous loading of 2 or multiple rolls of raw materials, as customized per your requirements. Compatible raw material, single-layer ADP and LP roll film, with thickness from 8 to 20 microns. A single machine completes feeding, tension adjustment, temperature-controlled sealing, cutting and interlocking folding, to output finished products. Here are finished bags, with neat appearance and firm seals. From project calculation and drawing design, to production and manufacturing, on-site installation and commissioning, plus maintenance support, we are an experienced manufacturer with 30 years of non-standard customized machinery production and fully trustworthy. Welcome all business owners to send inquiries.